Time for a quick look at the Cyclops 661 alarm system. Now, it comes with two of these. The remote controls are pretty simple. They do what they say. Lock, unlock, and boot open. All works perfectly well. I'm just going to flick the ignition on and off to stop the rearm feature happening. Now, to save any confusion, this remote control is a fixed code system. It is not rolling code, despite what Cyclops say on their website, because it does say multi-code remote. Now, to prove that, I've recorded the unlock signal with my HackRF. So, if I go ahead and arm the alarm with the remote control, it's armed, and if I do a replay for the unlock, that has just disarmed the alarm. Just to prove it again, I'm going to send the same code again. It's armed, and I've just disarmed it again. Put that away. But it's not all bad. Because it's fixed code, it means it's really easy to program other remote controls to it. So I can do this blade key here, insert the key in there. You can have a flip key. This one doesn't have the blade cut yet, but arm, disarm, boot, all works perfectly. And this is a pretty nice solution. So if you've got a car that's already got a factory transponder immobiliser, this flip key will actually take a transponder chip. So it's kind of my go-to if you want that factory type option. Obviously, it is fixed code. If you've got a real high-risk car, I probably wouldn't recommend it, and that's just rearmed itself. But if you've got a basic immobiliser and you just want remote locking and an alarm function, then probably quite highly recommended. So yeah, more details are on my website at vehiclesecurity.co.nz.